Are you wondering why I'm reading the back of this box rather than the labels? That is because there is a valuable piece of information here. Let me explain. The triangle here actually represents whether this particular plastic can be recycled or not. But the number here also tells us what type of plastic it is. And this tells us what type of chemicals are being leached into your food and water. Leaching is the process by which harmful chemicals from plastic containers, plastic water bottles as well as plastic packages gets transferred to your food or water. Completely avoid plastics number 3, 6 and 7. Number 3 is PVC and may contain phthalates, which are known endocrine disruptors. Number 6 is polystyrene, which contains styrene, which is a known carcinogen and may leach into your food. Number 7 are other newer plastics including polycarbonate, but there is a lot we don't know about them, so it's best to avoid it. Plastics number 2, 4 and 5 are safer to use in general. Plastic number 1, the stuff which is basically used in PET bottles, are usually deemed safe to use, but should not be exposed to sunlight or high temperatures. So to summarize, plastics number 2, 4 and 5 are safe to use, whereas plastics numbers 1, 3, 6 and 7 should be avoided as much as possible. Even though plastics number 2, 4 and 5 are deemed safe to use, they should never be microwaved or heated or be used after they're damaged. Try going plastic free as much as possible. It's safer for you and it's safe for the earth.